Welcome to Nanchang, often called the hero city of China. Here, ancient dynasties, revolutionary ideals, and modern development converge into one powerful narrative. Situated along the Gan River, Nanchang has long been a strategic center of culture, military history, and regional trade. It is the birthplace of the People's Liberation Army and a symbol of courage, reform, and national awakening. Today, this historic city is stepping confidently into the future. Nanchang occupies a crucial strategic location, situated in the heart of the Poyang Lake Plain, bordering the Gan River, which feeds directly into the Jiangxi River. This geographical advantage has made it an important administrative and transportation hub since its establishment over 2,200 years ago during the Han Dynasty. However, Nanchang's most defining historical milestone occurred much later, the Nanchang Uprising on August 1, 1927. This pivotal event marked the founding of the People's Liberation Army, PLA, and fundamentally changed the course of 20th century China, solidifying Nanchang's identity as the City of Heroes. This revolutionary past leads us to a fascinating yet lesser-known story. Do you know the name of the influential Western missionary who was born in Nanchang in the late 19th century and went on to become a key figure in modern medical development and cultural exchange between China and the West? Write your answer down in the comment section below. Exploring Nanchang is truly a journey through time and culture. The absolute highlight is the Tengwang Pavilion, Pavilion of Prince Teng. Restored multiple times since its original construction in the Tang Dynasty, it remains one of the three great towers of Jiangnan, offering unparalleled views of the Gan River and the modern skyline. For history enthusiasts, the Nanchang August 1st Uprising Memorial Hall is mandatory. This imposing museum vividly narrates the events of 1927, offering profound insight into the city's revolutionary heart. Finally, the expansive beauty of Poyang Lake, though slightly outside the city center, defines the regional ecology and provides stunning natural scenery. These landmarks embody the sophisticated blend of Nanchang's historic significance and modern vitality. If you find this fusion of ancient history and revolutionary spirit inspiring, please subscribe now to join our community as we explore more of China's remarkable cities. Nanchang has earned several monikers throughout history. Today, due to its deep connection to the military and revolutionary history, it is proudly known as the City of Heroes. The famous individual born here was Ida Khan, Kang Ad, the daughter of American missionaries in the 1870s. She received a Western medical education, returned to China, and became a pioneering female physician, establishing hospitals and significantly improving healthcare standards in rural Jiangxi. The most iconic structure of the modern city is undoubtedly the Star of Nanchang Ferris wheel. For a period after its opening, it held the title of the world's tallest Ferris wheel at 160 meters, 525 feet. It is a profound symbol of the city's ambition and its dramatic leap into the future. showcasing a modern scale and aspiration that few historical capitals can match. Life in Nanchang is characterized by a strong local identity rooted in the Jiangxi culture. The most commonly used language here is the Gan dialect, specifically the Nanchang subdialect, which is distinct from Mandarin, Putonghua, and other major Chinese language groups like Wu or Min. While Mandarin is universal in business and education, the local Gan dialect forms the heart of community life. The population is largely Han Chinese, but the city has fostered a vibrant, community-focused culture. Nanchang is famous for its spicy and flavorful cuisine, particularly the use of chili peppers, which differentiates it from the sweeter food of neighboring Shanghai or the more subtle flavors of Beijing. Historically, Nanchang was a key center for rice trading and porcelain shipment. Today, the city has undergone a remarkable transformation, shedding its agrarian past for high-tech industries. A major milestone was the establishment of its aviation and automobile manufacturing sectors, making it a critical hub for high-end manufacturing in central China. Nanchang is a designated national high-tech industrial base. To put its growth into perspective, while coastal giants like Shanghai focus on finance and global trade, Nanchang is rapidly carving out a specialization in advanced manufacturing and technological innovation. For instance, its output in areas like photovoltaic technology and new energy vehicles is growing at rates that significantly surpass many older industrial centers, positioning it as a powerhouse for future Chinese domestic demand. As someone who has explored Nanchang, what struck me most wasn't the history, profound as it is, but the palpable sense of momentum. I was impressed by the way the local people carry their revolutionary heritage with pride, while simultaneously embracing hyper-modernity. The energy is undeniable. A city moving forward with purpose. Seeing the ancient Tengwang Pavilion reflected in the windows of gleaming skyscrapers encapsulates Nanchang's entire identity. If you found this story compelling and learned something new about this incredible city, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Have you ever visited Nanchang? Or are there other historical cities you want us to explore? Leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.